Hey, what's up guys, CKid here, back with another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys real quick how to transfer your data over from the iPhone XS Max over to the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now, this process will work with any of the iPhone that you guys have, as well as any Androids as well. So I'm going to be showing you guys real quick how this process works. Now, the very first thing that you guys are going to need is you're going to need this little device here that came with your Samsung Galaxy S10 device. And then you're going to also need a cable that is going to plug into your old device to be able to transfer over to the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So let's go ahead and start the process. So the very first thing, we're going to connect this up, and we're going to go ahead and plug one end into our new phone. And then we're going to plug the other end into our old phone. And the first thing you're going to see here is you're going to see a pop-up here that says choose an app for the USB device. We're going to go ahead and tap on Smart Switch, and we're going to go ahead and do just once. And just like that, it is going to connect to your device here to search for iPhone data to be able to bring over to your brand new device. Now we're going to go ahead and let this sit for a while, as this process does take a little while, depending on how much data that is going to have to pull over from your older device. So we're going to go ahead and let this sit, and I'll check back in with you guys later. Now, I must mention to you guys that in order for you guys to complete this process, your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus device or Samsung Galaxy device must have a battery level of at least 80% and above in order for you guys to complete this entire transfer from your data from one device over to the next. So now that we have completed that process, now we're at the screen where we get the option to be able to bring and choose over what we want. So for me, I definitely don't want to bring over everything, so I really pick and choose what I want. So for me, I definitely want my calls and contacts. I want my messages to come over, some apps, my Wi-Fi. I don't necessarily care about audio, documents. We're gonna skip home screen, and I think we're gonna keep everything else good. So we just go ahead and press transfer, and it's gonna go ahead and do its thing. Now this is the process where it's going to check for apps that are compatible for Android that's coming over from iOS. So these are the apps that it has found that is compatible with Android that we can bring over. So we can go in here and select ones that we may not want to bring over. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and just unselect Airbnb. I love my Amazon. I don't really need my Apple Music. Keep my audiobooks, B&H, my banking. We can unselect that. DirecTV, my Discord, shout out to my CSQUAD. So I'm gonna go ahead and click install. Now here it says select messages to transfer. So for me, I don't want all of my messages to come over, so I'm just going to transfer over the ones that I've been in contact with people within the last 30 days. So I'll just go ahead and click transfer. So now it's going to go ahead and copy over all of your information from your iPhone device, and it's going to copy it over to your brand new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, S10 and S10e. So we're going to go ahead and give it a couple minutes here, and we'll check back in. All right, so that process there is now complete, and you have now just copied over all of your information over. So it's going to let you guys know right here as far as the number of copied items that you have. And then you guys have some other options. So right now it's selected over 143 contacts that I have, over 1,500 messages that I have, a couple applications, videos, photos, copied everything over, no problem. And now if we go back just to make sure everything copied over, I can go into my contacts here, and I can see here my entire list of contacts that I have copied over. Absolutely no problem. Well guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Just wanted to show you guys exactly the process of transferring your information over from the iPhone XS Max over into your brand new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Again, this will work, and this process will work with any Android device over into your brand new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus device, as well as any iOS device as well. So guys, that about wraps this up. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up. Comment down below some other video ideas that you guys would like me to try and test out. If you guys have any questions, also let me know down in the description section below. Thanks again for watching, guys. Click on the next video and I'll see you guys over there. Peace.